Is your phone acting slow, buggy, or strange after updating to the iOS 26 beta? You're not the only one experiencing this. App crashes, overheating, UI glitches, and poor battery life are common with beta versions. The good news is, there are simple fixes that can help make your phone run smoothly again. Let's walk through them step by step. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. This clears temporary bugs from the system. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until your phone closes. Restart your phone by releasing the power button and pressing it again until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase any data, it just forces the system to reboot. Solution 2. Reset all settings. If your phone feels glitchy or settings don't behave properly, open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This won't delete your photos or data, just reset settings like Wi-Fi, notifications, and layout. Solution 3. Check for a beta update. Apple usually releases hot fixes quickly. Go to Settings, then open General, select Software Update. If iOS 26 beta 1.5 or later is available, download it. These updates often fix bugs from earlier betas. Solution 4. Wait or roll back to iOS 18. Betas are unstable by nature. If your phone is unusable, you can downgrade back to iOS 17 using a Mac or PC. I'll cover this process in full detail on another video, so you can just watch that to get a better understanding. The iOS 26 beta is definitely exciting, but it still has some bugs. I hope these tips make things a bit easier for you. If your iPhone is still acting up, leave a comment and I'll try to help. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.